So guys, it's Demon Ninja 495 and I'm home alone. Yeah. Then I heard someone knocking on my door like a few times. And I don't know what it is. I just thought I'd make a video about it because I just thought that you guys might be a good help to me. Just like and subscribe. Yeah. But I'm just in here watching TV. Yeah. That's mostly what this video is about. I'm just talking to girls, like knocking on my door and everything. So just please like and subscribe, and it'll mean a lot. And tell your friends about this, and just and please just help me. I don't want to be hurt. Yeah, Hannah.
Let's draw. Toy Chica, Toy
Guys,
Toy Freddy, Toy Foxy.
Guys, now I'm gonna go now. Sorry for my brother. I'm gonna go now, and hope you guys have a good day today.